Hey guys, this is Luke, Opie's Law. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on what side of Georgia you're from. I just wanted to stop in and talk about the acinfinity T4 exhaust for your tent. People ask me about setting this monitor and how to do it, so today I'm going to show you. So I have it plugged in and it's just on. If you hit this button right down here, it's going to be off, your timer, and then your auto modes. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your high setting, and you're going to want to set your high setting to where you want it. I keep mine at 85 because I never want my tent to go any higher. Then you hit that button again to your low. You set it to where you want your lowest setting. Mine's going to be 58. Humidity. Your high humidity, where do you want it set for? We'll go 43, and these are just examples. You can set yours for whatever you need to. And then our low humidity will go down to 16. Then you hit it again. Then it's going to have over here in the settings the off and on. High temperature is on. You hit that button again for your low temperature. It's on. Same thing for your humidity. Same thing for your low and your high. Now we are on. And this little is going to show you that you're set. Now the fan is taking a moment to adjust itself. See it moving? Our humidity is up here in the corner. This is our fan speed, and this is our setting. This will be our temperature. And the fan is working itself. You hit this button here to silence it. And just like that, it's set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Check the website out, opieslaw.com. You guys have a great day and enjoy what you're doing with your girls.